Hare Krishna students, good afternoon everyone. In today's class, we will discuss all the hard words what we have in the first chapter, and later on we will discuss the last portion of our exercise, that is the long answer questions and the MCQs. Okay, so in our previous class, that was yesterday, I have already told you that today we will revise our chapter by doing some classworks. So after this video I will give you some questions in Google Classroom. You have to write those questions answers in your copy and submit your classwork in Google Classroom as my assignment section. So let's start. First, we have already revised our chapter yesterday, and today we will just discuss those small things, whatever we have, those long answer questions and hard words in this chapter. Then we will discuss the question answers. That means we will do our classwork. I will give you some questions. You have to write those questions and submit your classwork in Google assignment section. So let's start. I have already given you these hard words as your classwork on 5th April. So we will revise those hard words today again, and after that we will go for our classwork. So start. Introduction to computers. That is the first chapter. So what are the main hard words we have in these chapters? Those are written here, and I think you, yes, you can see in your screen those hard words what we have. So first word, that is electric. What it's mean? It means an object that, sorry, electronic. That means an object that requires electronic current to start, or sorry, an object that requires electric current to start. And next word, that is machine. That means an object that helps humans. Okay, next, what is the word? Storing. That means to keep something in memory. Machine means in Bengali, that is jontro, that an object that helps humans. Next, that is storing. That means in Bengali সংগ্রহ করা or রেখে দেওয়া. That means to keep something in memory. Information means তথ্য, data, or collection of data. Wonderful, that means very nice. Own, that means your. Our next word, that is need. That means necessary. And the next word is command, to tell something. What is the meaning of command? To tell something. And next, human being. That means person. And what we have in next? That is discuss, or what is the meaning of discuss? Chat or talk with each other. So we have these hard words in the first chapter, that is electronic, ELECTRONIC, electronic. That means an object that requires electric current to start. Next, that is machine, MACHINE. machine, an object that helps humans. Next word, storing. storing, storing. That means to keep something in memory. Next, what we have, information. information, information. That means collection of data. Next, wonderful. wonderful, wonderful. That means very nice. Next, own, own. That means yours. Need, need. That means necessary. And next one, command, 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 to tell something. Next, human being, human, human, being, human being. That means person. Or next word, that is discuss, discuss, discuss. That means chat or talk with each other. Now we will discuss the long answers questions what I have already given you in yesterday's class. So today I am just dictate those answers, and you have to check your copy that whatever you have written in your copy, is that right or wrong. Then we will go for our classwork. So long answers questions from our exercise, that is the 10th number of exercise, that long answer questions. What is the first question we have? Computers are different from human beings. Give any 2 points. If mentioned the 2 points or 3 points in your question, you have to write as your question. So if you have to asked to write 2 points, you have to write 2 points. Or if you have a question that what are the differences of human being or computer, if there is no specific number, that what you have to write how many points. Or if you have 4 marks or 5 marks questions, then you have to write 4 points for 4 marks or 5 points for 5 marks, or whatever you have given that question mark. If you have 3 mark, you have to write 3 points. So you have to write those long answer questions according to the number of the question. So as you can see, the question already told you that write 2 points. That means this will be for a 2 marks question. You have to write only 2 points. So what are the points we have? Computers are different from human beings because number 1, computers never make any mistake, but human can make mistake. That means computers never make any mistake. As computer is a machine, it does not make any mistake, but human can make mistakes. Next, what we have? The second point is computer cannot take its own decisions. It always need instructions from human, but human can take their own decisions. Computer cannot take its own decisions because computer is a machine. We have to put those instructions or commands to the computer to do the work. That means it always need instructions from human, but human can take their own decisions. So these are the differences. We have write 2 points for our question. So next question, what is that? Name different types of computers. In our book, we have only three types of computers. Those are computers are available in different types. Those are desktop computer, laptop computer, and palm top computer. Desktop computer means the computer that we can keep on a desk or it is in big in size. Laptop means the computer that we can kept in our lap and it is small computer, and laptop means that we can carry in our pockets also. It is a very small kind of computer. So what are the three types we have? Desktop computer, laptop computer, and palm top computer. Next, we have the questions, that the multiple choice questions, that is the number 11th exercise of our first chapter in our book, that is the MCQs, the four MCQs questions we have. So what is the first one? Which of these pictures is of a laptop? Can you see? Yes, there are some images we have in our book. You have to choose the right image. Yes, everyone say, what is the answer? That is the laptop. The third image, that is option number C, is the picture of a laptop. Okay, so dart the circle according to the option. Okay, what is the correct option, and put the circle with the fill up with your pencil. Dart the circle. Okay, next question. What is the yes, we need to give computers the dash commands. What is the right answer? So the answer is option A, that is right. We need to give computers the right commands. Okay, next point is dash computers cannot be carried from one place to another. What are the options we have? Option A, desktop. Option B, palm top. Option C, laptop. Option D, none of these. So everyone say, what is the answer? Yes, desktop. Desktop computers cannot be carried from one place to another. That means option number A, desktop. Next, number 4 MCQ question, that is to make a computer work, we need to give dash to it. What are the options we have? Option A, food. Option B, instructions. Option C, newspapers. Option D, none of these. So what is the answer? Everyone say, to make a computer work, we need to give dash to it. What? Instructions. That means option B. We make To make a computer work, we need to give instructions to it. So dot the according circle of option B, instructions. So we have completed our exercise also, and the important questions, important hard words, what are we have in our first chapter. So we have fully complete our chapter, revise our chapter. Now we are going to solve our classwork. Okay, so I will post the questions in your Google Classroom. You have to join and do your classwork in your copy and take a picture of that and send that in assignment section as your classwork. So yes, our class is finished here. We have completed our first chapter. Yes. Hare Krishna students, thank you everyone. Join your Google Classroom.